All right, so I've heard about persons traveling on their Jamaican passport and returning on their US passport to the States here, and some persons said that they had problems because it's a case where they're being taken into rooms, being questioned. Some persons lost their green card status. I don't know what the status is or the situation is, but I know that when I traveled the other day, I never had any issues with that. I've been traveling down on my Jamaican passport and always returning on my US passport to the States. I've never been questioned, you know, why I do that. I just purchased my one-way ticket back and forth, and that was it. It was a pretty smooth process. As I said, the immigration officer never asked me any question, and I never really thought it would have been any problems. So if you have your US passport and you're traveling on it and something like that arise, then I would just say, you know, probably you need to speak with an immigration specialist, as what you've heard on the media, the social medias here. But I'm just talking from my experience. I never had any issues with that, and going forward, I'm hoping that's not an issue. All right, so yeah, that's about it. So remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Turn that notification bell on, and remember to leave a comment and a share. All right, until then, peace out.